The roar of a jet engine is synonymous with modern air travel. Behind this symphony of power are a handful of companies that design and build these incredible machines. 4 companies stand out: CFM International, Pratt Whitney, General Electric and Rolls-Royce. These giants power the vast majority of commercial aircraft. Their innovations have shaped the industry. Their rivalry drives progress. These companies are locked in a constant battle. They compete for market share. They strive for technological superiority. Each company has its own story. Each has contributed to the evolution of air travel. Their engines power everything from regional jets to massive airliners. They are the titans of thrust, shaping the skies we fly. CFM International is a unique entity in the world of aviation. It is a 50-50 joint venture. This venture brings together 2 industry giants, GE Aviation from the United States and Safran aircraft engines from France. This powerful partnership was formed in 1974. Their goal was to develop and produce jet engines for the global market. CFM's success stems from its collaborative approach. Both parent companies contribute their expertise. The result is a line of highly successful engines. CFM focuses on providing reliable and fuel-efficient engines. Their engines power a wide range of aircraft. These include single-aisle aircraft like the Airbus A320 family and the Boeing 737. CFM's dedication to customer satisfaction has earned them a stellar reputation. Their engines are known for their durability and performance. This has made CFM the leading supplier of engines for narrow-body aircraft. Their engines are a familiar sight at airports around the world. The CFM 56 engine is a testament to CFM International's engineering prowess. This iconic engine first took to the skies in 1979. It quickly became the industry standard for short to medium-range aircraft. The CFM 56's success lies in its simple design and robust construction. The CFM 56 engine has powered over 35,000 aircraft. This includes popular models like the Boeing 737 Classic and Next Generation families. It also powers many Airbus A320 family aircraft. This engine has accumulated over 1 billion flight hours. It is one of the most reliable and fuel-efficient engines ever built. Despite its age, the CFM 56 continues to be produced. It remains a popular choice for airlines looking for a proven and reliable engine. However, its successor, the LEAP engine, is quickly taking over the market. The CFM 56's legacy of power and reliability has cemented its place in aviation history. Pratt and Whitney, or P&W, is a name synonymous with aviation history. Founded in 1925, the American company has been at the forefront of engine technology for over a century. From the Wasp engines that powered early aircraft to the powerful jet engines of today, P&W has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. PW's engines have powered a wide range of aircraft. These include military aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. They also power commercial aircraft like the Airbus A320neo and the Embraer E-Jets. PW's commitment to research and development is evident in its cutting-edge engines. One of PW's most significant contributions to aviation is the geared turbofan, or GTF engine. This revolutionary engine offers significant improvements in fuel efficiency and noise reduction. However, the GTF engine has also faced some challenges. Section 5. The GTF engine. Efficiency with growing pains. The GTF engine is a marvel of engineering. It features a gearbox that allows the fan and the turbine to operate at their optimal speeds. This results in a 16% improvement in fuel efficiency compared to previous generation engines. The GTF engine also produces significantly less noise, making it more environmentally friendly. Despite its advantages, the GTF engine has experienced some teething problems. Early versions of the engine suffered from durability issues. These issues led to grounded aircraft and frustrated airlines. Pratt & Whitney has been working diligently to address these issues. The company has released several software and hardware updates. These updates have improved the engine's reliability. However, the GTF engine's reputation has been tarnished. Pratt & Whitney is confident that the GTF engine will eventually overcome its challenges. It will become the industry standard for narrow-body aircraft. Section 6. General Electric, from steam to supersonic. General Electric, or GE, is a company with a long and storied history. Founded in 1892, GE's roots lie in electrical equipment and appliances. However, the company quickly expanded into other industries, including aviation. GE's aviation division is one of the world's leading providers of jet engines. GE's foray into aviation began in the early 20th century. They produced turbo superchargers for military aircraft during World War I. After the war, GE continued to develop its aviation technology. This led to the creation of the first American jet engine in 1941. Since then, GE has produced some of the most iconic jet engines in history. These include the J-79, which powered the F-4 Phantom and the B-58 Hustler. They also produced the CF-6, which powers the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A330. Today, GE Aviation continues to be at the forefront of engine technology. They are developing engines for the next generation of aircraft. Section 7. The GE9X, a giant among giants. The GE9X is a testament to GE's engineering prowess. It is the largest and most powerful commercial jet engine ever built. Designed for Boeing's new 777X wide-body airliner, the GE9X generates an astounding 134,300 pounds of thrust. The GE9X incorporates several technological advancements. These advancements include lightweight composite materials and advanced cooling technologies. These advancements make the engine more fuel efficient and quieter than previous generation engines. The GE9X is a key factor in the 777X's impressive performance specifications. The GE9X is a marvel of modern engineering. It is a symbol of GE's commitment to pushing the boundaries of aviation technology. This engine will power the skies for decades to come. Section 8. Rolls-Royce engineering excellence from turboprops to ultrafan. Rolls-Royce is a name synonymous with luxury cars. However, the British company is also a world leader in aviation technology. Founded in 1906, Rolls-Royce has a long and distinguished history of producing engines for aircraft. Their engines have powered everything from the Supermarine Spitfire to the Concorde supersonic jet. Rolls-Royce is perhaps best known for its Trent family of engines. These engines power a wide range of wide-body aircraft. These aircraft include the Airbus A330, the Boeing 787, and the Airbus A350. The Trent engines are known for their reliability, fuel efficiency, and quiet operation. Rolls-Royce is not content to rest on its laurels. The company is constantly innovating and developing new technologies. One of their most exciting projects is the UltraFan. This revolutionary engine demonstrator promises to reduce fuel burn by 25% compared to the first-generation Trent engines. Check one, check. Section 9. Conclusion. Shaping the future of flight. The four jet engine giants, CFM International, Pratt and Whitney, General Electric and Rolls-Royce, play a pivotal role in shaping the future of flight. Their engines power the skies, connecting people and places across the globe. These companies are constantly innovating. They are striving to create engines that are more fuel efficient, quieter and more environmentally friendly. The aviation industry faces several challenges. These challenges include reducing its environmental impact and meeting the growing demand for air travel. The four jet engine giants are at the forefront of developing solutions to these challenges. Their innovations will shape the future of flight for decades to come.